Hello guys, welcome. In this video I want to show you guys how to hatch your fish, how to do fish breeding, catfish production. That is how to get fish eggs to turn to live fish. All right, so first of all we pick our male fish, as you can see. Okay, so we are about removing the milt from the male fish. This fish is over 3.5 kg. So this is how we dissect, and this is what we got out of it. And then after we've gotten the milt out of the fish, we picked up the female fish after we've injected it with spawning hormone, and leaving it for a period of maturation of about 9 hours. And then this is how stripping is done. Can you see? So we gently press out the eggs from the fish. This process is easy, all right? It doesn't cause much pains for the fish, as you can see, because it's been injected. So without us even doing this, after we've injected the fish, the fish will release the eggs on its own. But if we leave the fish to release the eggs on its own, the eggs will waste, because I know most people, they leave it, they inject both the male and the female, they leave it inside the water, but what they get out of it, the result is usually very, very low. So for you to have high yield, high results from the eggs, we have to go through the fish stripping process. And after which we took off we now use what we got from the male fish, which is the milt, can you see? And then we cut it open using a brand new razor blade. All right, to do that, we use that to mix that with the eggs, in order to artificially fertilize the eggs. All right, and before this is done, all what you are using must be very, very dry, well sterilized. And then before stripping the eggs into your container must be very dry. If not, you activate the eggs immediately, which if our eggs are activated, all right, and then you keep it for too long, it's also not that too good. So you make everything dry. So this time around we are using the milt from just one fish, because the other first fish that we cut open, the milt is not looking good for reproduction. So we have to use just one milt from one. We dissected 2 fish, but we are using just one here. All right, so this is the process. We gently mix the milt with the eggs. All right, you ensure you carefully do this. If not, you crush the eggs. If the eggs are crushed, you will not get the result. It will, when you spread them on your kakaban, they will turn white on time, causing problem for other eggs that did not have issues. So this is the process. And when you are doing this, you just have to be very, very fast. When you are doing things like this, you have to keep your phone afar. You don't do this, then you are running out to answer calls for discussion. You ensure that nothing distracts you. All right, nothing should distract you when you are doing this. If not, you end up spending your money for nothing. All right, so for those of you that have been following us, what we're doing here, we just have to wash the eggs, the milt, all right, so we can turn it inside the eggs to ensure that all the eggs are touched by the milt or by the sperm. So if you have been following, we have over 500 videos on this channel showing you how to do a lot of things. All right, so please do well to watch our previous videos. We have videos on how to produce your fish feed. Fish feed is very, very expensive, so we have videos on how you can produce your fish feed. We have videos on how you can make your kakaban. We have videos on how you can do a lot of things, DIY, construction of pond, plumbing, a lot of videos on this channel showing you how to go about successful fish farming, even water treatment, water purification, and all that. We have all those videos on this channel. All right, so please do well to share our video. Click on the thumbs up button if you have not done that. Do well to share this video. Let it be that yes, you shared a video that actually changed someone's life. What we are doing is a community service, online community service, all right, of First Fish Academy. All right, so do well to share our videos. All right, so after now, we going to take it to where we are going to spray the eggs in the water. All right, so if you have watched to this particular point, use the comment section, yes I did. Type in the comment section, yes I did, if you have watched to this point. And if you did not watch to this point, all right, so this is the time we spray the eggs on the water. The water is well tested. All right, we have to check for the parameters to ensure that the parameters are okay. Temperature, which I'm going to talk about immediately after now. Before the end of the video, I'm going to tell you what you need to the temperature required for your eggs to hatch out and all that. So here we are spreading the eggs on the kakaban. Still gently. We did not allow the spoon that we are using to touch the kakaban, because as process of spreading the eggs, and then the spoon now scrape the kakaban, it therefore means you are crushing the eggs. So anything you are doing here, the spoon shouldn't touch the kakaban, the net you are spreading the eggs on. All right, before the end of this video, you are going to hear why the net have to be like this, why you have to be floating and all that. I've carefully took time to explain that towards the end of this video. All right, so it's your humble friend Kufrey Bama Francis, founder of First Fish Academy. Don't forget, we have so many videos showing you how to do so many things as regards fish on this channel. All right, so please do well to watch our previous videos and always share our videos. All right, so listen to this now. What you are seeing in here is our kakaban. All right, our floating kakaban. We have our rock, we have the thermometer, and then we have the fish eggs spread all over the kakaban. Now I'm going to explain the importance of everything that I have mentioned. All right, but if this is the first time you are seeing our video, please follow us. We have over 500 videos showing you how to do so many things about fish. All right, and please do well to share our videos. All right, so and the importance of each of these. First, let me start with the kakaban. Here is our kakaban. I usually tell you guys our kakaban is a place of attachment for fish eggs. It can be for any other thing, but yeah, when it comes to fish, it's a place of an attachment for fish eggs. And then we also have the eggs already spread on the kakaban over an hour ago. All right, well fertilized eggs. And then we have our rock. The rock helps to sink the kakaban a little bit. All right, because why do we have to have a floating kakaban? Yeah, it is known that the temperature at the surface when it comes to water is usually higher than the temperature beneath the water. So that's why we do a floating, so that we can have a better temperature in order for the fish to hatch out. Now I'm talking about temperature. There is no way you talk about temperature without talking about thermometer, because it is a unit. It is an instrument used in measuring temperature. All right, so we have our temperature, our thermometer here. All right, and for you to have a successful production when it comes to catfish, all right, you need a temperature of within 26, 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. Anything above that to 32, 34, 35, 40, it therefore means that you are cooking the fish eggs. And you know what it means? If there is no egg that you cook, that life will come out from it. All right, so here we are using this to ensure that the temperature in the water does not exceed what is supposed to be in order for us to have a good production. All right, and then as you can see, we have fish eggs spread all over the kakaban, and then we're going to bring you another video to show you the results. So it takes about 24 hours for the eggs to turn to fish. So remain on our channel. On Fish Academy channel, you learn everything without anything hidden on fish farming. All right, so watch more of our videos. You're going to learn a lot. And then if you need more information about us, please do well to contact us via 080-6903-5397. Our country code +2348069035397. And then if you are looking forward to stocking your catfish by January, February, or anytime soon or now, do well to also contact us via the number or reach us via our email at firstfishacademy@gmail.com. Thank you very much, and thank you for making Fish Academy channel your most preferred channel on YouTube as regards fish farming. It's your humble friend Kufre Ibanga Francis, founder, First Fish Academy. We have a lot of information for you, and I'm back to teach you guys as usual. Bye.